This needs to go to Chris Eisgruber's staff.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today's tips and tricks for the holiday season will be to how to wrap a holiday present. So in the action of taking time to do the present wrapping, you line up the present and cut an evenly square. This happens to be a unicorn in a square. So basically what you do is, this is important, when lining up the gift, you want to tighten up the sides so there's no gap. So when you turn it around this way, and it would be nice if you line up the picture, because that gives it a little bit more fancy. Okay. When you turn it to the side, there's two ways to fold the side. You can either fold down and over, or in like this. This size box, I like to push down, and then you squeeze the corners, make it real tight. And then you push one on the inside, and then you do the flap on the outside. And then when you fold it up, it's perfect. Okay, and then you turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. Folding it down, creasing the edges. When you fold it in, and for this you can stand it up straight and it makes a nicer, like a nicer fold. Okay, and then you, same thing, put it down. This way you save tape. You have actually, you want to use 3 pieces of tape for a perfectly wrapped present. Next we'll do the bow. Okay, so next we're going to be making a very simple bow from satin ribbon. So basically you start it with the first loop, like this, and then you pull it under, and then you make a second loop. You can make as many loops as you want. This present isn't that large, so we're probably going to make 2 or 3 loops. Pull it under, like that. And then you take a pair of scissors, and you cut it on an angle so you have the nice edge. You could also go like this and make a little triangle. And then what you do is you'll pinch it in your finger, and then you take a large piece of tape, what I use, you can use a stapler as well, and then you push it like this, and you pull it out, perfect bow. Then you take the bow, and on this present, I'll probably put it on the top, and then you take another piece of tape, and you push it through the top, like so. And I also like to put it on an angle, so you get like a nice finished product. Tips and tricks for Friday. Otis, thank you.